Gotcha. You know what time it is. It is time to get to bassing. So as you can see, it's almost dark. So I already actually completed the video. You know what I'm saying? Me and Cuz, the bass stalker. You know, hold on, let me get him on there. The bass stalker, you know what I'm saying? We done came, we done saw, and we knocked them off. It was a slow start for me, but you know what I'm saying? Cuzzo already went all the way over to that over bank over there, you know what I'm saying, in the opening up, and we don't head and start mollywopping them. It is what it is. I spent my time, as you can tell, you know what I'm saying, going after, as you will see, going after this one female that was on bed. They're locked on beds in pretty much in this pond. I believe they have finally locked in. But with that being said, we're gonna get out there. We're gonna do it up. Hope you enjoy the video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to comment on anything else you would like to see. Hey, let's get started. I tried to see if they're gonna be doing any kind of biting today. And I broke off 2 on this log, or this lay down right here. It's like I'm pulling rookie moves right now, but hey, again, the main goal starting out is to not goose egg. After that, it's going for the big gals. So let's get out here and let's get it done. I think he got it. Nope. He bumped it and let it go. Cause I already got 2, so he's doing pretty decent right now. Hey. Cause I'll lighten them up on that side. Oh, good gracious, I almost hit myself in the face. But he bumped it. I can't. Good gracious. I always start out like this. Apparently I always start out like this. I'm tied back on. I changed from the bandito bug to the mondo worm. And I'm gonna try to swim this to see what I get. Maybe if I can swim it across, I can swim it right over the top of these lay downs and come away with a little something. What the? It's not looking good for me right now. Well, what the? Okay. That's the part that I needed to get out of there. Now let's try it. Oh, I just seen one over here. See if I can hit him. Can't. Gotcha. Get over here. All right. Are you small enough to get out of the way? Because ain't no big girls in here, so we're gonna keep you. Whew, that little guy. Cause Cuzzo over there, he eats He eats bass. But the big gals, we're gonna keep in here. All right, see if I can get him. I might not can. I might have to wait till this swirl come back. Yeah, I might have to wait till that swirl come back. I might have to change this up to a 1/4 ounce weight so I can get this thing out there. Oh. Oh. Yes. I sure am. I love it when it makes the sound, when it makes the reel holler. I love it. I think he bent my hook, to be honest with you. Hold on. I put it at about 1 3/4 pounds, to be honest with you. I doubt it. Huh? Up here by the truck. Don't worry about it. We'll get it. Cuz of just he want to make sure that he get his fish. And you fought good. Whew. I'm headed to get the bucket, cuz. Yeah, cuz I was he's a little bit country. I'm a little bit, now I ain't no rock and roll, but I ain't country either. That's what I was waiting to hear. I want to hear that line holler. There's something about hearing that line holler when you fishing, when you hook one. There's something about it. It's something that you'll fall in love with. I don't know why he eat bass anyway, though. I really don't. I can understand panfish, but bass? Nah. Well, he didn't go for it. I need a stronger lure. Well, not a lure, but a little bit heavier.
Yeah, you got the hanks off.
I know. I had a bad little hinks on this darn rod. He bit half my tail off.
You bit the tail off?
He bit half the body off. I guess the Mundo worm is worth doing it. Ooh. Got my tip all hand tangled up. Give him a little tip. They done slowed down, ain't they?
Yeah. They had slowed down. They wasn't in his pocket. He got caught out the pocket.
I don't know what had it, but something came up and grabbed me. Just when I wasn't paying attention, I was gonna bring it on in. Come back here. Yes. You want this one too? All right. Yeah. Look, the hook didn't even have him really. Yeah. Nice. I'll tell you one thing though. I get critics on both ends. Like from the people who are like truly country, you know, Like, they'll ask, why don't you keep the fish? Why don't you keep the bass? And the people who are not so country, they'll say, why are you keeping the bass? You can't win for losing. I gotta throw this out. Get that line kink out of it. But yeah, you can't win for losing either way. So you can't make everybody happy. So I decided, you know, as long as the fam wants some fish, I'll get out here and help them catch them and make a video or two while I do it. And then when I'm by myself, then I'll throw them back because I don't eat them. I don't eat them at all.
Yeah, you put that damn hook in it.
Actually, when he hit it, he ran off and I tried to catch him. Yeah, I did. I gotta go retie. Good grief. He hit it, and he took. And I think he just went up under that darn limb and just sat there. Hey. Well, let me go back up here and retie again. I'm gonna try to do it this way. Let me go over here and cast. No, I'm finna get right here and try to cast over in there to see if he grab it. Look at that crap. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You want him? Fourth. Gotta go catch one more. Oh, there you go. Tongue touch, I ain't done that in a minute. Gotta catch one more to go to the next round. All right. So I'm finna head around to the other side where Cuzzo at. I got four. I'm gonna see if I can get one more. I caught him four. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if I can get one more, and then I'll probably call it a day after that. I got a lot of videos to edit and going all the way down. And if you remember in the last video, like I said, you want to 45 the bank, but you want to get to where the wind is blowing into the bank. But right now, you know what I'm saying, hopping it off the bottom, that ain't the method. You know, from what it looks like, if you're not swimming it, you might well just give it up.
You get that gas, man. You look like Beyonce on the goddamn island.
You look like Beyonce. Get out of here with that.
You going with that water here.
It looks like they have shut completely off. Cuzzo ain't came out with nothing. I ain't came out with nothing. But Cuzzo was on the good bank anyway. I was sitting over here messing with that one fish. I did catch one from a cuz that would have made 5 for the day, but I wasn't recording because I really wasn't expecting to catch anything. The bite had really slowed down. So I'm trying to stay back away from the bank. When I do this, I'm trying to stay back away from the bank. Whoa, mouth. You wouldn't think a whoa mouth about a hook this big. Look at this. Yeah, now that pinfish that I could probably eat, but I had to sit there and hold him and just let him sit there and play with it for a little while. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh. Yes, little guy. I don't think you was the one making that swirl though, to be all honest with you. I want that big guy that was in there. Yeah, cuz gonna eat you. You small enough. Oh, but I want that big guy that was making all that fuss. She over there flirting with me. That's okay. Hopefully, she don't mind coming on up and see me sometime. Go ahead.
You gotta go.
I'm still trying to get up under that. Let me show you where he at. And it's hard to get.
I thought you don't pull them out.
Nah, they were little ones.
Them males you pull out.
Yeah.
That tree right there.
That, nuh-uh. You see where it bends up right here? See how that arm bend up? It's right up under there.
Talking about right there in that V cut.
Yeah. That's where she at.
Over in there.
That's where she at.
Yeah, what? She hit here. I ain't gonna be able to get out of there.
I'm gonna need a boat to get that.
What the hell? You were just standing right there.
Yeah, but you can't. You ain't gonna be able to bend that your pitch around that.
Am I right there?
No, you got to come back and more a little to the right.
Oh, right where that tree showing that white.
Mm-hmm.
Right where that tree showing that white. I got you now.
Mm-hmm. That's what
she in that cut up under the goddamn tree.
Yeah. If you can get her. But go ahead, do it up, do it up.
Oh, she up under there.
Damn. No, what I did, I pitched it right in front of that damn them tulies and let it drift right back to me. He had it. Never underestimate throwing right in front of a bush, especially this time of year. Huh? Yep. I'm gonna show you what I did. You know what I'm saying? Y'all forgive me, cuz I want the bass now. You know what I'm saying? He eat them, so y'all forgive me. You know what I'm saying? I know how some of y'all be, you know what I'm saying, about not keeping the bass, but when fam, you know what I'm saying? You gotta feed your family now. You gotta feed, you know what I'm saying? He family. You know what I'm saying?
You don't believe in getting that TP low.
All right, this is all I did right here, cuz I took it. I'll just say.
No, dog.
That's all I did. Well. I told y'all in the beginning, yeah, cuz old Molly walked them in the beginning. You know what I'm saying? It was a slow start for me, but you know what I'm saying? I did get on them. No goose egg for me yet, you know what I'm saying? So there has not been a trip of fishing in, I would say, 3 years that I have not caught at least one fish. We're gonna see how long that streak holds. And I think I just jinxed myself, to be honest with you. But I can see the moon. It looks like a full moon though, Koza.
Yeah, I was checking. I think it's supposed to come on up a little bit.
Sorry about that. The battery had died on me. Like Koza was saying, the full moon supposed to come up. So we got out here right before the full moon. So luckily tomorrow it's supposed to rain. So we ain't got to worry about, you know what I'm saying, the moon phase as far as fishing go. Not at least until Monday is when I'll be back to fishing. So, you know, Friday and Saturday, you know, it's supposed to be raining, so we ain't gonna be doing it too much. But if you like what you saw, again, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and comment on anything else you would like to see. And hey, tell somebody else about the channel. Maybe they'll learn something. And as always, look at that, cuzzo. He done hit the top water over there.
That big wave?
Heck yeah.
Getting active now.
I know. But in any case, you know what I'm saying? We might be leaving a little too early, but Veteranbassin here to get you right so you can keep them lines tight. Holla at your boy.